back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuing support that you are giving to us. Keep on sharing our videos. We also appreciate your feedback. Now, today we are showing you another way of cutting cost by feeding your chicken using the vegetables. In our case today, we have harvested sweet potatoes leaves is what we are giving to these birds, and it is a good idea because once you give them, if you are to give them for example 10 kilograms of feeds, you will deduct what the weight of these finches, so you can choose things like cabbages or something which cannot harm them, and by so doing you will be cutting the cost of feeding. Look at these birds, they are very happy and enjoying what they are eating. It is going to make their meat natural, sweet when you are eating it. And even the eggs. Need to also choose the breed which can take this kind of finches. So I wish you can try it in your farm. We will see you next in our next video that we are making to make sure that we support you farmers and to see you thrive in this business and produce something which is edible and healthy to our bodies. So until next time, God bless you.